Hey, it's Todd Ault, and these are Wall Street Words. Thanks for joining us. Today's word is merger. Merger is about two companies coming together and merging their assets and liabilities and becoming one company. Now, the company doing the merger, the main company, usually retains its identity. For example, AT&T buys BellSouth. BellSouth merges with AT&T. AT&T survives as a company. Now, I'm not saying that transaction happened, but that's an example of a transaction that can happen. These mergers are considered friendly usually. Both board of directors agree to do them. The shareholders vote on them. S4 is filed. We talked about S4 before. That's a registration statement with the Securities and Exchange Commission identifying the transaction, the terms of the transaction. The merger's consummated, and now they're one company with one identity. Today's word is merger. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. New words and terms delivered every single day. Please subscribe, push the bell. If you found this information helpful or you think someone could benefit from this information, please share this video. Thanks for watching our channel. Always good things happening here.